On a hot summer afternoon, a thirsty crow flew across fields and villages in search of water. The sun blazed fiercely, and the ground was dry and cracked. The crow's wings grew heavy, and his throat burned with thirst. He searched high and low, but every well and pond he visited was empty. Just when he was about to give up, he spotted a small earthen pot lying under a tree. Hope lit his eyes. He quickly flew down and looked inside. Yes, there was water. But his joy soon turned to disappointment. The pot was tall, and the water was at the bottom, far beyond the reach of his beak. The crow tried tipping the pot over with his claws, but it was too heavy. He hopped around it again and again, thinking of what to do. I must find a way, he thought, or I will surely die of thirst. At that moment, he noticed some small pebbles lying nearby. An idea sparked in his clever little mind. He picked up a pebble with his beak and dropped it into the pot. The pebble sunk, and the water rose just a little. Encouraged, the crow picked up another pebble, then another, and kept dropping them one by one. Slowly, the water level began to rise. His beak could still not reach, but the crow did not stop. With patience and determination, he continued. After many trips, the pot was almost half filled with pebbles, and the water had risen to the top. At last, the crow bent his beak and drank the cool water with relief and joy. His thirst was quenched, and his cleverness had saved his life. The story of the crow and the pitcher has been told for generations, but its message remains timeless. The crow teaches us that when faced with challenges, strength alone may not be enough. Intelligence, creativity, and persistence often solve problems that seem impossible. In our own lives, we often encounter situations where the solution is not obvious. We may feel stuck, like the crow staring into the pot. In such moments, frustration and despair can easily take over. But if we pause, think, and look around, solutions often appear in the simplest things, just as the crow found his answer in small pebbles. Great inventions, discoveries, and even personal victories are born from this kind of thinking. Instead of giving up, creative problem solvers find new ways forward. The crow reminds us that every problem has a solution, if only we have the patience to think differently. Whitewright pointing backhand index lesson, creativity and persistence can solve even the toughest challenges. Don't give up, find a smarter way forward.